Hello everyone, I welcome you all for the Python programming language. Today, let us discuss the foundation of functional software. This presentation explores fundamental programming concepts. We will bridge theoretical knowledge with real world applications, understand the building blocks of robust software systems. What are illustrative programs? They are simple focused logic program solving tools, and fundamental operations. Simple focused logic meaning they demonstrate core programming principles. Problem solving tools essential for algorithm design and data handling. Fundamental operations showcase counting, input, output, and validation. Program 1 Word count. Function counts words in a text string. Algorithm splits text by white space, then counts segments. Applications used in text editors, CMS platforms, CEO tools. Impact automates counting 1000 words in less than 0.01 seconds. Program 2 Copying file. Core function replicates content from source to destination files. Underlying algorithm reads data in chunks, handles error conditions, practical applications used for data backups, software installations, system migrations. Efficiency impact copies 10 GB in minutes, reducing human error by 99%. Program 3 Voters Age Validation Purpose verifies if age meets legal voting requirement. Method compares input age against a minimum threshold. Use cases online voter registration, civic engagement applications, government databases. Program 4 Marks range validation 0 to 100. Core function it ensures numeric input was within 0 to 100 range. Algorithm checks if input is less than or equal to minimum and greater than or equal to minimum and less than or equal to maximum. Applications, student grading systems, surveys, data entry, QC systems. Core principles illustrated input validation, modularity, error handling, control flow. Input validation ensures data integrity and security. Modularity breaks programs problems into reusable functions. Error handling manages unexpected situation gracefully. Control flow directs program execution with conditions and loops. Real world applications and impact. Efficiency automates task, saves time. Accuracy validation minimizes errors. Security first line of defense against vulnerabilities. Best practices in development, clear requirements, define scope and expected behavior precisely, user centric experience, provide intuitive interfaces and helpful errors, thorough testing, implement unit test for each function, comprehensive documentation, write comments and external guides. Conclusion The power of fundamental logic. Basic programs showcase universal computation principles. Mastering these builds a strong foundation for complex applications. Continuous learning drives technological innovation. Thus, the end of the session. Let us discuss another topic in the upcoming videos. Thank you all.